In this video, we are going to run the final application. So we will clone our repository from the GitHub and set up our environment in Visual Studio and run our application using the Docker Compose profile and walk through a live demo. So let's get started. Please open the Visual Studio. Here you can see that I have already cloned our repository and opened the Visual Studio solution. And in here you can see that we have a Docker Compose. We are going to run this Docker Compose from using the Visual Studio. But before that, make sure that you have started the Docker desktop on your computer. And after that, you can right click the Docker Compose, set a startup project, and run this Docker Compose profile without debugging. So this process will take some time because this will be run all microservices in Docker Compose environment. So after waiting a certain time, you can see that our Docker Compose is running successfully. We can verify from the Docker desktop. If you open the Docker desktop, you can see that we have started Docker Compose including these microservices. These are the catalog, basket, discount and ordering microservices, and it is backing services, which means database and caching services. For now, we can send HTTP requests for these microservices in order to perform our use cases. If you open the Postman, you can see that during the course, we will develop eShop microservices Postman collections, including the catalog, basket, discount and ordering microservice HTTP requests. If I open the catalog microservices, we can get products and perform the CRUD operations for each microservices. For example, I am going to get the product. Here you can see that we can set the catalog URL as an environment variable for the Postman. In our case, we will run the Docker Compose. That's why I'm going to change the environment as a localhost to Docker. And after that, I'm going to send this button. This will be send HTTP GET request to the catalog microservices in order to get products with pagination. If I hit the send button, you can see that we will get the products with pagination. Here you can see the products from the catalog microservices that we can get from the catalog Docker container from Docker Compose. So we can follow the same steps for the other microservices. For example, in basket microservices, I can create a new basket with sending HTTP post request to this URL. If I send this button, this will be send HTTP post request to basket microservices, and this has been create a new shopping cart with username as a SWN. So we can get this basket information with a given username. If you send the HTTP GET request to our basket microservices, you can see that we will see the details newly created shopping cart from our basket microservices. So you can follow the same steps for the rest of the microservices, but during the course we will develop these HTTP APIs and perform our use cases.